I want to tell you a story. I want to share a story with you about our business. But in order to do that, I need to go back in time to when I was a young man in high school. I need to share the story about my parents who wanted to have a home repair done, and they hired a contractor in our hometown. They signed a contract, they made a deposit, and he began to do work. And then one day, he didn't show up. And that next day, he left town with my parents' money, and he broke our dreams of making our home better. And that was the motivation that really inspired me years later to start my own business. I too wanted to deliver a promise to people. I hoped that we could help people to maintain and beautify and add value to their homes. And so that's the work that we do today. Where we do that work is really in West Tennessee, Central and Northern Arkansas. We help people in Northern Mississippi and a little bit of Missouri. Now, the people on our team that make up that group, I want to tell you a bit about them. They are so excited to meet you. I'm excited to work along with them. They really come from a wide diversity of backgrounds. We have people that have been in the construction world. We have people that have worked in corporate America. We've had people that have worked just locally. They've banded together with us, and they brought their talents, their diverse backgrounds. And I love just how varied and different and colorful our whole team is here. I want to make sure that everyone that's watching this video knows we're committed to redefining that customer experience. We want to redefine what a contractor should do for a customer, how a contractor should act, and really the community that should be built between customers and contractors. In fact, our purpose is to redefine that contractor experience for you, the homeowner. I want you to know that we've been in business coming on 2 decades. We're going to be in business years and years down the road from here. We'll be a trusted advisor for you. We'll be able to help you with your current issues. We will be someone that you can refer your neighbors to down the road. We are your neighbors. We live in the communities where we do this work, and it is important to us. It's important to us to share a bit about our story, for you to see some of the pictures of the results that we've gotten for people, but mostly to know you can trust us to be here today and for tomorrow. Thank you so much.